Ever had a nightmare so terrifying that you woke up in a cold sweat, heart pounding like you just ran a marathon? Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that you could take control of those nightmares? Turn them into something you can manipulate or even enjoy. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick around, because today, I'm going to show you how to master your nightmares with techniques that actually work. First off, why do nightmares even happen? It's not just your brain deciding to ruin your sleep for fun. Nightmares usually stem from stress, anxiety, past trauma, or even what you ate before bed. Yes, that late-night pizza might be plotting against you. But here's the thing. Nightmares aren't just there to torment you. They're actually your brain's way of processing emotions and fears. Kind of like a messy therapy session while you sleep. So instead of running from them, what if you could use them to your advantage? All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the best ways to take control of your nightmares and stop them from controlling you. 1. Reality checks. Catch the nightmare in action. Ever tried pinching your nose shut and still being able to breathe? No? Well, in dreams, that's totally possible. Doing reality checks throughout the day, like counting your fingers, flipping light switches, or checking a clock, makes it more likely that you'll realize you're dreaming when a nightmare hits. And once you do, boom, you have control. Imagine being chased by a monster and suddenly realizing, wait, I'm dreaming. Next thing you know, you're flying away like a superhero. Not so scary anymore, huh? 2. Dream rehearsal. Rewrite the ending. If you keep having the same nightmare over and over, this technique is a game changer. Before bed, write down your nightmare, but this time, change the ending. Let's say you always dream about being chased. Instead of running, imagine stopping, turning around, and confronting whatever's chasing you. Your brain starts expecting this new version, and suddenly, your nightmare isn't so terrifying anymore. 3. The power of lucid dreaming. This one's my favorite. If you're already into lucid dreaming, you can use it to take full control of your nightmares. When you become aware you're dreaming, you can change the setting, remove the threat, or even turn your nightmare into a fun adventure. Think about it. If a monster is chasing you, why not turn it into a puppy? Or if you're falling, why not start flying instead? The possibilities are endless once you realize you're in control. 4. Confronting your fears. This might sound weird, but instead of running from your nightmare, try facing it. Ask the scary thing in your dream why it's there. A lot of people say that when they confront their nightmare head-on, it changes. Sometimes it even gives them advice. It's like your subconscious is trying to tell you something. Once you listen, the nightmare doesn't need to be scary anymore. 5. Sleep hygiene. Stop nightmares before they start. Finally, if your nightmares are getting out of control, it might be time to check your sleep habits. Avoid caffeine before bed, put your phone away an hour before sleeping, and try meditation or deep breathing. The calmer your mind is before bed, the better your dreams will be. Nightmares don't have to be terrifying. With the right techniques, you can turn them into something powerful, or even fun. Have you ever controlled a nightmare before? Or do you have a go-to method for stopping them? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you want to level up your dream game even more, check out my next video on advanced lucid dreaming techniques. Hit that like button, subscribe for more dream hacks, and I'll see you in your dreams.